If you're a guy who's wondering why everything fits you so poorly, it's because it needs to be tailored. And it's so stupid easy to do. And once you get into it, you're gonna come to a crossroads of sorts. Yeah, a crossroads. Where you have to decide between cotton thread or polyester thread. And I'm gonna make it easy for you. Cotton thread sucks. Don't use it. Understanding the benefits of using polyester thread over cotton thread make this whole DIY tailoring thing so easy. But if you don't understand that, it just throws so many roadblocks in the way and you're gonna end up hating it and you're gonna wish that you never even tried.
I think you should subscribe.
First up is durability. Polyester thread is really strong. It has a lot of strength and elasticity to it, so it's gonna be able to hold up really well. It's not gonna break nearly as easily as cotton thread would, if at all. I mean, take some polyester thread and try and rip it in half. Actually, don't do that because it's most likely going to cut your fingers, so don't try that. Polyester thread is really good for garments that face a lot of movement and stretch, like your workout clothes and even your everyday t-shirts and casual wear. But expanding on the whole chinos thing, sure, you're not gonna do any gardening or landscaping or whatever it is in those chinos, but polyester thread is also really good for a lot of repetitive movements. So if you do a lot of walking, for instance, in your chinos, then yeah, it's gonna be really good for that. Cotton thread ain't doing any of that. It's gonna snap faster than the Vikings defense in an NFC championship game. Or Brett Favre, I guess, too. Or Case Keenum. Or Gary Anderson. Skol Vikings, let's go. Ugh. Polyester thread, it's also really versatile. It's like a jack of all trades when it comes to tailoring your own clothes, because you can use it on pretty much everything. You can use it on your workout clothes, yoga pants, you can use it on jeans, chinos, whatever it is that you want. I had to slim my partner's yoga pants the other day. That's why I said yoga pants. I don't wear yoga pants. But if I did, why would it matter? That would be a sight to see. Plus, unlike cotton thread, polyester thread, it's not gonna shrink, it's not gonna fade on you. So the side seam that you create on your garment, that side seam you have at that moment is the same side seam you're gonna have in terms of durability and color fastness and all of that after like 50 washes. That one right there is a big one, because how mad would you be if you tailored something to fit you really well and it became your perfect, most favorite piece that you have in your closet, but then after like 5 washes, it starts to lose its shape and it's pointless now. I mean, yeah, cotton thread, it's great in cotton materials and cotton garments, but it's a natural fiber, so it deteriorates really easily. So you'll find yourself redoing projects more frequently or having things break down as they start to experience a lot of wear and tear. It's just no bueno. And guess what? Polyester thread, it doesn't absorb moisture like cotton thread does, which means it's not gonna mildew or mold over time. In the beginning, I used cotton thread on a couple of my workout shirts, and no matter what it was that I did, I kept washing them, even with the special detergents that they have that you're supposed to use on synthetic materials. I swear by those, but I digress. I kept washing them and I could not get like the smell out of the side seam. I'm like, what is that smell? Like, it smells awful. And it wasn't apparent from far away or anything, but it was just enough for me to notice it. When I would put the shirt on, I would smell it then, like in the sides, and that's what it was. Polyester thread, way cheaper than cotton thread, so it's really cost effective to try and just do different things and experiment with different things, because you can stock up on a whole bunch of different colors and get creative, versus if you're buying cotton thread, which is more expensive. Since it's more expensive, you're just gonna stick with the basics, the staples of black and white and gray, and not really branch out from that at all. It lasts a whole lot longer, which means fewer trips to Joann Fabrics, which means fewer conversations with the condescending sales associates there. And that one alone, you're welcome. And since you're probably new, let's go learn how to use a sewing machine. It's in the next video. I'll see you over there. SD out. See ya.